Panayiotis with us today after 16 months, when he came to my practice looking like this with this frontal thinning, which was quite extensive. Probably the photos don't do justice, but you can see here how extensive was his thinning. So we proceed to redesign the hairline and adding hair, dense packing to all this area, 2,100 grafts, and this is our result. Thin hair, thin to normal hair, but you can still see, that it's totally dense. I mean, the comb even sticks here, it stays here. Sorry about that. So he was actually a very meticulous patient with his medical treatment. You can see the donor area. There are absolutely no signs of surgery. This is an old birthmark. A lot of people have that. You have to know that before you shave your head, ask your mother whether you have a birthmark on your back, because it was a surprise for me also. Let's wet the hair. Let's see how the hair looks if wet. You can see we have a uniform density between the areas that was transplanted and the rest of the hair. Did you take your golden comb?
Yes, yes.